Welcome to our week 19 African journey. Today is Tuesday and we have kingfish Chermoula or Chermoula kingfish, however way you say. So for that what we have is we have some kingfish, and here we have the Chermoula sauce, and for that we have some sweet paprika, ginger, red chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, white pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, allspice, some lemon juice and some olive oil. So we mixed all of that together here, and then we will marinate the fish in this, and we'll keep some for the sauce as well. For the sauce we have some beans. So we have two types of beans. We have some onions, red bell peppers and some crushed garlic. Very simple, and then some chicken stock. And to finish it we have some coriander leaves. So to marinate this, what we are going to do is we are going to marinate the fish in the Chermoula sauce, and then we'll keep the rest for to cook the sauce. We have a cast iron pan heating in the oven at 450. So what we will do is we'll cook the fish on the cast iron pan for about 5 minutes on one side and then the 5 minutes on the other side, and that should cook the fish, and then we'll cook the gravy separately. Cast iron pan is hot, so I'll just take it out. And in this we'll add oil. So this is olive oil. You don't need too much because we already added onto the fish as well. So what we want to do here is we want to salt the pan, because we didn't put any salt on the fish. So we want to salt the pan, and then we're going to put the fish. We'll salt the top of the fish as well. And then we'll put it back in the oven. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. We have some red kidney beans and some pinto beans here. And this is half of each tin. So we will blitz this and make it into a paste. That's all we need. So we'll use this and then half are whole. So we'll use both of them to form the sauce. We'll baste the fish with the Chermoula seasoning. And we'll put it back in the oven for another 3-4 minutes. Four minutes are over. The fish is cooked. So you can see it's coming out clean. So that means that the fish is cooked. To this we'll add the onions. And the garlic. We'll add the whole beans. We'll add the bean paste to this. So this will thicken the gravy up. We'll add the red bell peppers. So these are roasted red bell peppers. And the Chermoula sauce. We haven't put any salt, so we'll add a little bit of salt. We'll thicken the gravy. So we'll put, to serve this, we'll put this on the serving plate, the gravy, the serving plate. And then we'll put the fish. And to finish this, we'll add a little bit of coriander. That's the kingfish Chermoula dish from Morocco. Hope you're enjoying our African safari. We'll come back tomorrow with another African dish. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit and see you tomorrow.